you all? I hope you all must be fine. तो मेरे क्लास 3 के नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, what we are going to read today? We are going to read today for Mathematics Olympiad. Okay, so as you know, in mathematics various chapters are there, and we have already started number chapter in our last class and discussed some questions. So today we are going to discuss some more questions of number chapter. So shall we start it? Let's start. Our first question is, which of the following expanded form is correct? 3069. So the first option is 3000 plus 600 plus 9. 3000 plus 600 plus 9 is equal to how much? That is equal to 3609. Okay, एक मिनट बच्चों, पेन का कलर चेंज कर देते हैं थोड़ा. So this option is not correct. Next, 8000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 0, that is equal to 8160, and this is also present in our option, so this option is correct. Next, 9000 plus 700, that is equal to 9700, but it is written 9007. So is this option correct? No, this option is wrong. Next, 3049 is equal to 3000 plus 400 plus 9. So 3000 plus 400 plus 9 is equal to how much? 3409. But what is it written here? It is written 3049. So is this option correct? No, this option is also not correct. So which is our correct option? That is equal to 8160 equal to 8000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 0. Okay बच्चों, है ना इजी क्वेश्चन. चलो, let's move to our next question. Some numbers are formed using the digits 9, 2, 6 and 5. Which is the largest even number that can be formed? So what we have to do, whenever we have to write largest number, okay, out of some numbers using some digit, what we should do, for largest number we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, so what are the numbers that we have? 9, 2, 6 and 5. If we arrange these numbers in descending order, what we will get? 9, 6, 5, 2. And what is asked? Even number. When 2 is present in one's place, it is already an even number. Okay, do you know what do you mean by even number? Even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2, or simply if in one's place you find 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then you will get to know that the number is an even number. Okay, so the largest number what we which we get from using this number, that is 9652, and it is given the largest even number. As 2 is present in one's place, it is an even number, so there is no need to do anything extra. Okay, we have get the largest number which is already an even number. Okay, so what is our correct option? Correct option कहाँ पे है ढूंढो? That is present in option D, 9652. क्लियर बच्चों? आई थिंक ये क्वेश्चन सबका हो गया होगा. ओके, चलो लेट्स मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which digit is in 4938 has the highest place value? Highest place value 4938. What is place value of 8? That is ones. Okay, and position 3, it is present in tens position, 9 present in 100 position, and 4 is present in 1000 position. As you can see also, which is the highest place value? Highest place value is of course 1000. Okay, that is 4000, and what is the number? The number is 4. Okay, so which is the correct option? Correct option is option A, that is equal to 4. Okay, so बच्चों, if the question was like this, the lowest place value, if it is not the question, I am just telling you something. Okay, lowest place value, what is the lowest place value? Then what we have to do? We have to find out which number or which digit is present in one's place. Okay, which digit is present in one's place? That is 8. So lowest place value is of 8. As we know, lowest place value is always, that is the digit present in one's place, and highest place value is the digit which is present in highest place. Okay, so by seeing also, just looking at the number also, you can find out the highest place value and lowest place value. Suppose I am giving you another example, 7352, which is having the highest place value. As you clearly see that 7 is present in 1000 space, 1000 place, so it is having the highest place value, and as 2 is present in lowest place, so it is that is ones, so it is having the lowest place value. Okay बच्चों, clear now? Okay, let's move to the next question. From the number 324, a boy chooses the digit 4. He gets to occupy the 4th place. If he chooses 3, he gets to occupy 300 place. Which place should he occupy if he chooses 2? ये क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या है? 324. If a boy chooses the digit 4, he gets to occupy 4th place. And what is given? If he chooses 3, he gets to occupy 300th place. And the question that is asked is, if he chooses 2, what place should he occupy? So can you make any relation? Can you establish any relation between this 4, 300 and this number? Yes, that is correct. It is our place values, ones, tens and 100. As 4 is present in ones, so its value is 4. So he is occupying 4th place. And as the number 3 is present in 100 place, whose place value is 300. So if he chooses 3, he is getting 300 position. So now we have to find out for 2. Where is 2 present? That is present in 10th place. So what is its place value? That is 20. So if the boy chooses 2, which place should he occupy? He should occupy the 20th place. Okay बच्चों, isn't it easy? Yes, of course it is easy. So where is our option? That is present in option D, 20th position. Clear बच्चों? Let's move to the next question. Question number 5. What is the difference in place values of 2 and 4 in 9, 2, 3, 4? What is the number that we are having? 9, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Difference in place value. What are the place values? Ones, this is 10, 100, 1000. Place value of 2. What is place value of 2 in the given number? That is present in 100 place. So place value is 200. And place value of 4. Where is 4 present? 4 is present in one's place. So the place value is 4. What is asked in the question? What is the difference in place values? So difference in place values कितना होगा? 200 minus 4, that is equal to 196. Okay बच्चों, easy question है. So where is our option? Our option is present in option D, that is 196. Okay, चलो. Next question. How many tens are there in 5690? 5690. So what is asking? Tens. So what you have to do? You know 0 is present in ones place. Okay, this is ones place. And in tens place 9 is present. 100 place 6 and 1000 place 5. So if any question is asked like this, कि how many tens are there, what we have to do, you have to tell the whole number that is present in 10th place and going towards left. Okay, 10th place में कौन present है, 9 is present, but if we go to left, the whole number we have to write, that is 569. This is the number of tens present. Okay, if you are asked then what is the digit present in tens place, you can say that is 9. Okay, this is correct, that is 9. If it is asked how many tens are present, in from starting from tens we have to go towards left and the whole number we will take as 10 place. Okay बच्चों, so what is our correct option? Correct option is 569. Okay, so मजा आ रहा है बच्चों? चलो, let's move to the next question. What is the smallest odd number that can be formed using the digits 7, 2, 1 and 6? So what are the digits that we have? 7, 2, 1 and 6. So find what is the smallest odd number. So बच्चों, when we have to write the smallest number, what we have to do? We have to arrange the numbers in this ascending order. Okay, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, so what are the number, if we write these numbers in ascending order, what we get? 1, 2, 6, 7. Okay, so this is the smallest number that we can get using the above digit, but there is an extra things, that is odd number. Now see, you can see that 7 is present in ones place, and you may be knowing what is the odd number. Odd number is a number which is not completely divisible by 2. Odd number is not completely divisible by 2. That means if you see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are present in ones place, so they are known as odd number. So here 7 is already present in ones place, that means the number we get, this is already an odd number, so we do not need to do anything more. Okay, so this is our correct option, that is 1267. So can you find the option in which this answer is present? Yes, it is present in option D. Okay बच्चों, let's move to the next question. Find the numbers equal to 24 tens plus 2 hundreds plus 9 ones. 24 tens. 24 tens means 24 into 10, that is equal to 240. Next क्या है? 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds means 200. Then 9 ones, that is equal to 9. So we have to add this thing, 240 plus 200 plus 9, that is equal to 944. So what is our answer? Our answer is 449. So where is the option? The option is option B, 449. Okay, let's move to the next question. 7 thousands plus 20 tens equal to days hundreds. Okay, 7 thousands is equal to 7,000. 20 tens is equal to 20 into 10, that is equal to 200. So 7,000 plus 200, that is equal to 7,200. So what is asked? Dash hundreds mean how many hundreds are there. As we know, 0 is present in ones place, here 10, here 100. If how many hundreds are present, we have to write the entire number that is before present in 100. Means in 100 place 2 is present, we have to take the whole number, that is whole 72. Okay, so answer is 70 to 100. Okay बच्चों, next. How many hundreds are there in 4480? This is also a similar type of question. 4480, how many hundreds are there? This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Hundreds means you have to write the number, the whole number which is presented at 100 place. If you are asked what is the digit present in 100 place, you can answer the digit is 4. But if you are asked how many hundreds are there, you have to write the entire number that is present at 100 place. Okay, means 100 and all the number digits present towards left, that is 44. Okay, so what is the correct answer? That is 44 hundreds are present. क्लियर बच्चों? आई थिंक ये क्वेश्चन सबका हो जा रहा होगा, है ना? सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू अबाउट फॉलोइंग नंबर्स? These are some numbers given. We have to find the true statement about these numbers. So let us see the options. First option is they are all greater than 500. Are they all greater than 500? No. 308 and 466. 308 and 466 are not greater than 500. So this option is not correct. Next, they are all between 100 and 1000. 100 and 1000. Yes, this is true. All the numbers are between 100 and 1000. Let's check the other options too. They are all less than 900. Are they all less than 900? No. 915, 946, 960. These are the numbers which are greater than 900. So our this option is not correct. Last option, they are all less than 950. Are they all less than 950? Check it out. No. 960 is not less than 50, so this option is also not correct. So what is the correct option? That is option B. They are all between 100 and 1000. Okay. Next question. Look at the number line given. Which number replaces question mark? So here 810, here 820, here question mark, 840, 850, 860. So you have to find the number which replaces this question mark. Can you find out? From 800 to 820 there is addition of 20. 820 to 840 addition of 20, and also from 810, no, this question is 800, then this is 860, this is 880. Okay, so from 800 to 820 you can see addition of 20, then from 820 to 840 also addition of 20, फिर 840 to 860 also addition of 20, and same thing is for here also. But from 820 to 840 in between there is a number which is equidistant from 8 to 120 and 840. So what will be that number? If we add 20 we will get 840. What is half of 20? Half of 20 is 10. So if we add 10 then we will get this number. Okay, so 820, and if we add 10 we will get 830. This is one method. Another method can be like this. You can add 820 and 840 and can divide it by 2. 820 plus 840, that is equal to 1660, and we can divide this number by 2, that is equal to 830. This is our first method. This is our second method. So but the second method will be little bit calculating for you. Okay, so don't go for it, but you can go for it if the numbers are small. Okay, if you get 2-digit numbers, if you get single-digit number, so for that you can go through the option second method, but for the bigger numbers you can go with the first method. Okay bachcho, so what is our correct answer? Our answer is option C. Okay, let's move to the next question. Which number replaces the question mark in the following? So here given that there is a number and the before number of the number is 3849 and the after number is 3851. So what is the number? It is quite easy. What is the number? 3849 is the before number. So the number should be 3850 and you can clearly see that, and the after number will be of course 51. Okay bachcho, so what is the correct option? Option B, 3850. Okay, next question. Look at the symbols for each place. For 100 place, that is a balloon. For tens, a flower, and for ones, an apple. So find the number represented by this picture. So we know, as we know, 100 places represented by what? Balloons. Okay, so that means how many balloons are there? 1 2 3. That means in 100 place the number will be 3. What we will do? We will write the place names. Okay, so in 100 place which number is present? That is equal to 3. How many flowers are present? 1 2 3 4 flowers are present, and flower represents number that is present in 10th place. So at 10th place the number present is 4. Then apple represents the number present in 1's place. How many apples are there? 5. That means in 1 place 5 is present. So what is the number that that is denoted by this picture? That is 345, which is present in option A. Okay bachcho, let's move to the last question of this video, which is the least 4-digit number using all digits different. Okay, so if anyone asks what is the least 4-digit number, we will write 1000. Okay, but what is it asking? Least 4-digit number using all digits different. For that we have to first choose the lower digits. Okay, first we have to choose the lower digits. How many? 4 lower digits. That we can choose 0, 1, 2, 3. Then for getting least number, as I say always, for getting least number, what you have to do for least number? You have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, so if we arrange 0, 1, 2, 3 in ascending order, what we will get? 0, 1, 2, 3. But we need a 4-digit number. But is it a 4-digit number? No, this is a 3-digit number. Why? Because in left, if 0 is placed left to a number, then it does not have any value. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to interchange the position of 0 and the next digit. Okay, so 0 and 1, their places are to be interchanged. So what will be the number? 1 0 and 2 3. Okay, so what is the least 4-digit number using all the digits different? That is 1023, which is present in option D. Okay bachcho, so how was the session today? Was it nice? So this much for today's video. Let's meet you in our next video with some much more amazing questions. Okay, so till then mindfully पढ़ाई करते रहो. Okay, bye.